Can you spot the lie? Welcome to Fact or Fake. We've got 18 mind-blowing statements that will challenge everything you know about the animal kingdom. Let's begin. The fastest animal in the ocean is the great white shark. Fake. The fastest fish is the sailfish, reaching nearly 70 miles per hour. That's even faster than a cheetah. An octopus has 3 hearts, and their blood is blue. Fact. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and the third circulates blood to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses copper to transport oxygen. A group of flamingos is officially called a flamboyance. Fact. Other unusual group names include an obstinacy of buffalo and a parliament of owls. The iconic image of an ostrich burying its head in the sand to hide from danger is actually a true behavior. Fake. Ostriches sometimes lie flat and flatten their necks to blend in with the ground. Elephants are the only mammal that cannot jump. Fake. Rhinos, hippos, and sloths also lack the physical ability to get all 4 feet off the ground. Bulls become enraged and charge because they specifically hate the color red. Fake. Bulls are actually colorblind. They charge at the quick flapping movement of the matador's cape. A group of gorillas is called a whoop, and a group of ferrets is called a business. Fake. A group of gorillas is called a band or a troop. If you return a baby bird to its nest after touching it, the mother will abandon it because of the human scent. Fake. Most birds have a very poor sense of smell and will not abandon their young due to human touch. Male seahorses are the only species on Earth where the male carries and gives birth to the young. Fact. The female deposits eggs into the male's pouch for him to fertilize and incubate. All cats, including lions and tigers, are unable to taste sweet flavors. Fake. A genetic mutation in cats affects the sweet receptor gene, rendering them unable to taste sugar. Sharks are the only fish whose skeleton is made entirely of cartilage instead of bone. Fake. Skates, rays, and chimeras also have skeletons made entirely of cartilage. Honey never spoils and has been found perfectly edible in ancient Egyptian tombs thousands of years old. Fact. Honey's low water content and high acidity prevent the growth of bacteria and microorganisms. The giraffe is unable to make any vocal sounds because of its long neck. Fake. Giraffes can make various sounds, including snorts, hisses, and low-frequency nighttime humming. A camel stores water in its humps to survive long journeys across the desert. Fake. A camel's hump is a store of fat, which can be metabolized for energy and produce water as a byproduct. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day because they get high from the eucalyptus leaves they eat. Fake. Koalas sleep so much because their diet of tough, low-nutrient eucalyptus requires vast amounts of energy to digest. A starfish is a type of fish that moves using thousands of tiny, suction-cupped feet. Fake. Starfish are echinididars, not fish, and their movement is coordinated by a water vascular system. A daddy long-legged spider's bite is deadly, but its fangs are too small to penetrate human skin. Fake. Daddy longlegs, or harvestmen, are not spiders and have no venom glands or fangs. A blue whale's tongue is so large it can weigh as much as a full-grown African elephant. Fact. Their heart is also enormous, being roughly the size of a small car. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe and hit the bell for more fact or fake challenges every day.